Live life to the fullest at the Villages of Garrison Creek. This vibrant single-level home combines style, comfort, and freedom. The open floor plan shines with quartz counters, a chef's kitchen with updated stainless appliances, and a stunning gas fireplace, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. Step into your beautifully landscaped outdoor space with an oversized patio, ready for gatherings or quiet mornings. Set in a lively, friendly community with miles of scenic trails, ponds, and bridges, all in a peaceful, park-like setting. Enjoy every moment, inside and out,